In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect HubSpot to Zoom, an easy integration process that you can complete in just 5 minutes. If you're looking to streamline your workflows and improve your meeting management, this integration is a great place to start. So let's dive right into it. First things first, open your web browser and navigate to the HubSpot website. This is where you'll begin the process of connecting HubSpot to Zoom. Once the homepage has loaded, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll see the Login button. Go ahead and click on it to sign in. If you haven't created an account yet, you'll need to do so before proceeding, but assuming you're all set up, just enter your credentials. After you've logged into your HubSpot account, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. From here, look for the Trial Guide section. This guide is a great way to navigate new features and find what you need quickly. Once you're in the trial guide, the next step is to locate the Apps section. Typically this will be on the left-hand navigation bar. Click on it and it will bring you to the HubSpot app ecosystem page. Now that you're on this page, let's proceed to the next critical part of our integration. In the search bar, type in Zoom and hit enter. This action will help you filter through the HubSpot marketplace to quickly locate the Zoom app, which is essential for our integration. Once Zoom appears in your search results, click on it. You'll be directed to the apps page where you'll find information about the integration and what it entails. On the Zoom app page, you will see an Install App button. It's usually prominent and easy to spot. Clicking this will start the installation process. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. It might ask for permissions or confirmations, so be sure to read through and provide the necessary consents. And there you have it. With these steps, you've successfully connected HubSpot to Zoom. This integration allows you to seamlessly manage your meetings and customer information all in one place, saving you time and effort as you navigate through your daily tasks. Before you wrap up, take a moment to explore the new functionalities this integration offers within your HubSpot dashboard. It's a powerful tool that can truly streamline your business processes. If you followed along, congratulations on setting up your HubSpot to Zoom integration. Feel free to check out more guides and tips on using HubSpot and Zoom to their full advantage. Thank you for watching, and until next time, happy connecting.